Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you and teach you how to play Kannazhaga music and song on no flute. Okay, so this is an easy tutorial. I need to say this notation is not on original scale, so this is an easy one. For notations you can check the description to get the links, and also if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. So let's move to the tutorial part. I will teach you the music part before I'm going to song. Okay, so music goes like this. Okay, so first line goes like Sadha Sani Riga Maga Sadha Sani. Again, Sadha Sani Riga Maga Sadha Sani. And then Sadha Sani Riga Maga Ga Pa Maga. Okay, once again, Sadha Sani Riga Maga Sadha Sani. Sadha Sani Rega Maga Ga Pa Maga. Okay, basically this music goes on 4/4 beat, but after you learn this you can change the beat like 4/4 to 6/8 like this. I will first show you on 4/4 beat and then 6/8 beat. Okay, now I will play it on 6/8 beat like this. Like that. So now the song. Okay, first line da ga ga da 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 ga ga da pa, and then sorry, second line da ga ga da 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 ga da da pa. When you play that line, da ga da da pa, komal da. Okay, da shuddha da, then komal da pa. Watch. Okay, and then ga pa da ni da pa da pa ma ga. Okay, once again. And then that line repeating. Okay, first you play ga pa da ni da pa da pa ma ga, and then repeat that line again. Okay, after that da ri ri sa ni sa, da ri ri ga ri sa ni sa. Okay, da ri ri sa ni sa, da ri ri ga ri sa ni sa. Once again. And then da ri ri ga ri sa ni da pa pa da ni ri sa ni, da ri ri ga ri sa ni da pa pa da ni ri sa ni. I will show you that two lines again. After you complete that line, repeat the two lines again like this. Like that. So that's it. So now you know how to play Kannazhaga music and song. Okay, so you can change the beat on music part like 4/4 to 6/8. Impress your friends by changing the beat. Okay, so hope you guys learn to play Kannazhaga music and song through this video. So let's meet in another tutorial video. If you have any questions and any request, you can comment so I can make videos for you. And so let's meet in another video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.